Guys, we got to break out the fire. We're trying to get a fan clutch off. Let's see what happens. What we heating at?
I was getting nuts.
So what are you air hammering on? One of the edges? You getting ready to replace this water pump, right? Yep. All right, see what happens. Oh, it's reverse?
Yeah.
Just being replaced. You got some vice grips. I can hold that right here. Clamp my vice grip down right here and hold that in place. Because I was going to hold it, bite it right here. See, it was hot. The heat did it. Come on, man. That is counterclockwise. No, that's
Clockwise.
going off. You coming off now.
Yes.
So the threads is reversed.
That's crazy.
That makes sense because the fan turned the other way. You don't want the boat. If that's the case, it can fly off. The best purchase you can buy. I'm glad I bought it. Well, y'all remember the video I uploaded yesterday where we was talking about, I was fighting with a fan clutch. I was helping a guy out with a fan clutch. I came over with my torch. Well, one of my buddies on YouTube alerted me to a Matco 2 part number right here, guys. This tool right here looks awesome, guys. I don't do enough fan clutches to justify owning one of these. So maybe the guy I was helping was new, so maybe he might want to invest in one. But here it is, guys. Here you got different sizes. It come with the long bolt right here that you attach to your air hammer, I'm assuming, and you just whack away. Yeah, and that fan clutch should come off easier. So I'm assuming this tool will make this job so much easier. Now, the way we went about it was simply because we didn't have the tool. If you had the tool, obviously use the tool. But if you don't, use what you got, okay? So I put some heat on that bad boy. So what are you air hammering? And it came off, all right? But, yeah, I suggest if you do enough of these to go ahead and invest in this part number right here.